If you cook regularly, you know that a good kitchen towel can make everyday tasks a lot easier. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best kitchen towels you can buy right now, focusing on absorbency, durability, and overall value so you can find the right set for your kitchen. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Premium kitchen towels, 20 inches by 28 inches, 6-pack, large cotton dish towels, flat and terry highly absorbent kitchen linen set with hanging loop. The Premium Kitchen Towels 6-pack is best known in the United States for offering something many home cooks and homeowners are actively looking for: large, highly absorbent cotton kitchen towels that can handle everyday kitchen messes without constantly reaching for paper towels. In the US market, kitchen towels may seem like a simple purchase, but experienced home cooks know that a good towel can make a surprising difference in daily kitchen routines. Whether you're drying dishes after dinner, wiping countertops, cleaning spills, handling hot cookware, or preparing meals, kitchen towels get used constantly. In real-world American households, these oversized cotton towels are commonly found in family kitchens, apartments, first homes, vacation rentals, farmhouse-style kitchens, home baking stations, meal prep setups. One of the first things that stands out is the larger 20-inch by 28-inch size. Compared to many standard kitchen towels sold in stores, these provide noticeably more coverage. For American families cooking multiple meals a day, the extra size can be genuinely useful. The combination of flat weave and terry cloth construction is another practical feature. In many US kitchens, different tasks require different towel textures. Flat weave sections are often preferred for drying dishes and glassware because they leave fewer streaks, while terry cloth sections are better for absorbing spills and moisture. Number 2. Infinity Exclusives 100% Cotton Kitchen Towels 15 by 25 inch Ultra Soft Tea Towel, Super Absorbent Terry Dish Towels for Kitchen Linens. The Infinity Exclusives 100% Cotton Kitchen Towels are best known in the United States for offering a soft, traditional cotton towel experience that balances absorbency, comfort, and everyday kitchen functionality. In the American kitchen towel market, many buyers are moving away from thin decorative towels and looking for products that actually perform useful work in the kitchen. That's where cotton tea towels like these continue to maintain strong popularity. In real-world US homes, these towels are commonly used for dish drying, countertop cleanup, hand drying, baking preparation, serving and presentation, everyday kitchen maintenance. One of the biggest strengths is the 100% cotton construction. Cotton remains one of the most trusted materials among American consumers because it offers a good balance of softness and absorbency without feeling overly synthetic. Many home cooks prefer cotton towels because they become softer over time while maintaining their functionality through repeated washing. The ultrasoft feel is another appealing characteristic. In busy kitchens, towels are constantly handled throughout the day. Softer fabrics tend to be more comfortable for repeated use, especially when drying hands or handling delicate dishware. Absorbency is where these towels earn much of their value. American households frequently use kitchen towels for drying freshly washed dishes, absorbing spills, handling wet produce, cleaning kitchen surfaces. Number 3. Urban Villa Kitchen Towels 100% Cotton Dish Towels for Kitchen, set of 4, 20-inch x 30 dishcloths highly absorbent kitchen linen set with hanging loop perfect for drying dishes cleaning towels multicolor. The Urban Villa Kitchen Towels are best known in the United States for combining oversized dimensions, high absorbency, and attractive everyday kitchen styling into a practical towel set that works for both cooking and cleaning. In the American market, kitchen towels have become more than just functional tools. Many homeowners want towels that actually perform well while also complementing their kitchen decor. The Urban Villa set targets exactly that audience. In real-world US households, these towels are commonly used in family kitchens, modern apartments, farmhouse-style homes, vacation rentals, Airbnb properties, home baking stations, everyday meal prep kitchens. One of the first things American buyers notice is the larger 20 by 30 inch size. That's significantly larger than many standard kitchen towels sold in big box stores. The extra surface area can be surprisingly useful when drying multiple dishes, wiping countertops, or handling larger kitchen cleanup jobs. The 100% cotton construction is another major advantage. Many U.S. consumers still prefer cotton over synthetic materials because it tends to feel more natural, withstand repeated washing, and maintain good absorbency over time. For home cooks, these towels can easily handle drying dishes, cleaning countertops, wiping spills, drying produce, hand drying, covering rising dough. The hanging loops also make everyday use more convenient. In busy American kitchens, having towels easily accessible can make meal prep and cleanup more efficient. Number 4. Microfiber dish towels, soft, super absorbent and lint-free kitchen towels 8-pack, lattice designed gray colors, 26 by 18 inch. The microfiber dish towels 8-pack is best known in the United States for offering maximum absorbency and fast cleanup performance with minimal lint and streaking. Unlike traditional cotton kitchen towels, microfiber towels have gained popularity among American homeowners because of their ability to absorb large amounts of moisture while drying relatively quickly. In real-world U.S. households, these towels are commonly used for drying dishes, cleaning countertops, wiping appliances, polishing glass, cleaning stainless steel, general kitchen maintenance. One of the biggest advantages is absorbency. Microfiber materials can hold significant amounts of water compared to their size. For busy American families that cook multiple meals daily, this can reduce the number of towel changes needed throughout the day. Another major benefit is the lint-free performance. Anyone who has tried drying wine glasses, mirrors, or stainless steel appliances with a shedding towel knows how frustrating lint can be. That's one reason microfiber towels are often preferred for glassware, stainless refrigerators, microwaves, ovens, smooth kitchen surfaces. The quick-drying nature of microfiber is another practical advantage. In humid regions of the United States, towels that stay damp for extended periods can develop odors more quickly. Faster drying helps reduce that problem. The 8-pack quantity is also useful for larger households. Many American families rotate kitchen towels frequently throughout the week, so having multiple towels available can simplify laundry routines. Number 5. Utopia Towels Kitchen Towels 12-pack, 15 by 25 inches, 100% ring-spun cotton super soft and absorbent linen dish, tea and bar towels set, black. The Utopia Towels Kitchen Towels 12-pack is best known in the United States for providing a large quantity of affordable cotton kitchen towels designed for heavy daily household use. For many American families, kitchen towels are not luxury items, they're workhorses. They get used constantly throughout the day and often need frequent washing. That's where a larger set like this becomes appealing. In real-world U.S. homes, these towels are commonly used for drying dishes, cleaning counters, meal prep, baking, hand drying, bar setups, general household cleaning. One of the biggest strengths is the quantity. 12 towels provide enough inventory for busy households that cycle through multiple towels every day. This is especially attractive for large families, meal prep households, vacation rentals, Airbnb properties, home-based businesses, frequent entertainers. The 100% ring-spun cotton construction offers a balance between softness and durability. Cotton remains one of the most trusted materials among American consumers because it performs well across a wide variety of kitchen tasks. So those are 5 of the best kitchen towels available right now. If one of these looks like a good fit for your kitchen, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still not sure which one to choose, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.